Hello guys, today we're gonna learn how to create a smooth transition in CapCut just like this. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, get all your clips and serially align them. Now click on the first clip that you want the transition to start and go on animation. Now select out animation and choose fade out. You can put the duration 0.3 seconds. Now do the same animation to other clips too. After you're done, go on overlay and add a white overlay. And zoom in to full screen. Okay, go on blend or splice, selecting your overlay and choose overlay and adjust it to your clip. Then go on animation and choose fade out. Put your duration full. Copy it and put it on other clips. And follow me. Okay, now go on effects and choose Halo Blur. Align it and put the setting following me. Now again, copy the effect and put it on the clips in the same way. So after you're done, export it and we're pretty much it for today. Hope you liked this video. If you did, then give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'll really appreciate it. I'll catch ya in the next video. Till then, keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Islam from theastltd signing out. And sorry for late upload. I was kinda busy due to studies and blah blah blah. Okay, anyway, comment down your thoughts and queries in the comment section. I'm leaving. Peace.